Okay, so this is just going to be a very short video. I was actually asked, what about codecs and streamers and what am I going to need? Basically, the question was basically, what am I going to need to watch videos, to listen to music? Well, the truth is, I've not, at this point right here, I have not separately installed a single codec or streamer or any kind of utility that had to do something with video or audio. And I'm using OBS right now, so that'll tell you that my video stuff must be working and my audio stuff must be working, so I don't need any. And when this is finished, I'm going to edit it right here, and that all works perfectly, so I don't need any codecs there or what have you. However, if you do find the need to have one, a great tool to use is Octopackage. Once this opens, we'll look at it. Resize that real quick here. Click on this folder box. We're going to type in Codecs. Now, if you're opening up a project in any software and it says you need a certain codec, right here, do a search for codec. Here's 3 that's listed. One I have actually installed. Let's see if it's on info here. It's the KF5 library for string manipulation. I have no idea. I didn't install that. But if I opened up, say, MPlayer, and it says all of a sudden now I need Pi38 Unicode CSV, then right here it is. Okay, so likewise, now I don't know how specific to put in there per streamer, but you'll see there's a ton of them listed here, probably a metric ton of them, and a bunch of these are installed, but I did not do that. I installed software that apparently used these as dependencies. But again, if you open up Audacity or Kdenlive or OBS Studio, VLC, whatever, if you open up any type of software that concerns itself with audio or video, and it gives you a warning saying that it needs something and maybe not even work till it gets it, then Octopackage gives you a pretty good place to generically look for codecs and streamers, plugins, and also there's one that says PitIvy, I can never say that right, PitIvy, linear audio video editor. So you can see here you got a lot of stuff. There's a Ustreamer, lightweight and fast MJPG HTTP streamer. Boot, no idea. Embedded video streamer. And let's see if that would even work for utility. It actually works for utility, but it's too broad. But even under utilities, you can see I've got some stuff. Now, USB utils, I did install that. But we're not talking about utilities primarily. We're talking about mostly codecs and streamers, audio stuff, wave pack, stuff like that. So that's my recommendation. It's a short video, I know, but if you're concerned, if you're wanting to use FreeBSD and you're concerned about using your preferred video software, audio software, editing software, and you bring it up and it says that you need something, use Octopackage. And if you don't know how to use Octopackage or get it, that right there works. Sudo pkg install Octopackage or Octopkg. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on another video. Hope this helps somebody relieve their mind that they don't think they're going to be able to get a codec or a streamer or any kind of utility for their video, audio needs. Rest assured, there's a bunch available through FreeBSD. All right, I'll catch you on another video. Peace out. Bye.